Today's tutorial, we discuss how to save results as a searchable PDF in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to save OCR results as a searchable PDF using the IronOCR library in a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronOCR NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can install it easily using the NuGet package manager. Move on to the program.cs file, where we start by importing the IronOCR namespace and setting the license key for IronOCR. Initiate Iron Tesseract to initialize the OCR engine. Enable the option to render OCR results as a searchable PDF by setting Render Searchable PDF to True in the OCR configuration. Next, add an image input for OCR processing. So in this example, we use the image file potter.tiff. Perform OCR on the image using Iron Tesseract's read method to obtain OCR results. Export the OCR results as searchable PDF using the Save as Searchable PDF method. And this saves the OCR text and image as a PDF file named Searchable PDF. Additionally, you can output the searchable PDF file as bytes using Save as Searchable PDF bytes, or as a stream using Save as Searchable PDF stream. So let's run the application to see the OCR results saved as a searchable PDF. All right, so the OCR results are successfully saved as a searchable PDF. You can now search the PDF file for the content as needed. So there you go. By following these steps, you can easily save OCR results as searchable PDFs using IronOCR in your .NET applications. We always invite you to explore more advanced functionalities of our IronOCR for document processing tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package. Experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below, check it out for yourself.